What's up, guys? Ev and Aldo here. So in this one, we're going to talk about, what's going on. Did you miss the pump? Did you get there? So I signaled out in my new private Discord yesterday that I was going in for a long at 43,650 stop loss and first take profit at 44.1. Why in my private Discord? Why I thought that. So I just started this link in description below if you want to join. Just started that for a few things. That's a new thing. Also doing some one-on-one sessions with people as well. So check that out if you're interested. It was a good call yesterday. Obviously, not every call is going to be a winner. No one's right 100% of the time. We'd all be billionaires in a few months, but yeah. So this money flow crossover, these are strong. Look at that in the 4 hour. These are very, very strong. More likely than not, it's going to come up. Look at the last time it happened. Bam. The opposite direction. And we're about to hit this fib level. So, people would be asking, should I short now? Should I not short now? Really, the answer to that is 6 hours to confirm this green dot on the 2-day and the 3-day printing this green dot. That's going to confirm in about 2 days. You probably don't want to short any more than a scalp or any more something like that. So, we see a few things happening. We see on the 8 hour VWAP coming down. It's been above for a while. We see money still coming in, the 15 minute, the 30 minute. So you want to hold off on a short for a little bit. Usually weekends tend to follow with weird volatility the general pattern of the market. So I think in all likelihood, we may come up a little bit more. I think generally, a place like here, this spiral line might be a good place to look for. Let me add a notification in there for myself. A good place to possibly look to take a short, depending on these money flows and lower time frames. If we start printing trigger waves on the 30-minute, but overall, if we map this out in terms of money flow coming up, and we haven't had a situation like this before for a while with the 4 hours, so we may be due for something kind of crazy like this. I think there's still some fear in the market. There's still some caution. Let's say this general, another 18%. I don't know if we'll come up that high. It's a little too optimistic, I think. Where would 18% bring us? 56, 54, we will hit a lot of resistance around here. So these two general spiral lines, there is a big fib level at 51, I believe, too, in terms of places to look to take profits. So if you're looking to go long, you definitely want to be cautious about that spiral line. Wait to see something better with this fib level. I would say wait to see us come back up if you're wanting to try to go long. That's what I would say for Bitcoin right now, but my positions have been doing really well. There's another position I signaled out with ADA, going along at about 205, I believe, in my exclusive Discord. So yeah, that's that. And we're going to look at Ethereum as well. And so Ethereum is basically the same type of thing, using the new spider lines with Ethereum from the daily. I told you guys about these a bunch of times, though, so I won't get into too much details now. Almost made it up to that spider line. If we, just on that fib level, great place to look for a possible short with the VWAP coming down. However, I don't think it's going to come down too much. Maybe it'll come down to this spider line, but be careful. Be careful with some of these, in terms of money flow still coming up there. It seems like we have a little bit of room to come a little bit higher here. This is an important level to look at. Sometimes these fib levels, these are big fib levels. There's a very high probability we'll get some type of reaction off of this level. So that's basically Ethereum going the 4 hour. Where could we come up from here? If we have a situation like this, here to here, it's going to be like 20% almost. Wow. So 20% from here would bring us 15. You'd probably flirt with this fib level, 3,800. That'd be a big place to look at. So yeah, that's the most bullish case. Obviously, anything can happen. Maybe we won't be bullish. Where would this take us to? Maybe a week from today. Have a nice first week of October. That's what I'm thinking. Let's take a quick look at ADA, because I've been long on that. And ADA is looking pretty good. Let's try a fib level from our all-time high here to our low here, and I think this money flow crossover on the 4-hour might be able to bring us up to 237. I took some partial profits this morning because it felt so euphoric. I'm already 40 or 50% in profit on the long. I'm on 3.8x leverage there, but I think there's a good shot we come a little bit higher. We probably will cool off like everything else a little bit with this VWAP going down in the 4-hour. So yeah, this fib level 220, maybe wait till a few cents, maybe a good place to never financial advice. None of this is ever financial advice, but maybe a good place to look to go long or add to your long position if you're currently long, or maybe add to your hodl stack for Cardano. So that's that one. It looks good. The market looks pretty healthy today. Weekends are always weird. I always tell new traders, usually it's a good idea to hold off on the weekends. Maybe we'll be sideways, maybe down a bit on the weekend, but then maybe we'll come back up on the week. So that's your Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, technical analysis update. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. We're really going for 10,000 subs. And check out my links below. Check out my Patreon. Check out, if this is really complicated for you, check out Jason Casper's trading course below. Market Cipher, 15% off, discount code ALDO15. And the rest of my links below, all things that I use and have benefited from. I'm never going to link you guys to anything I don't personally use and haven't benefited from. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.